Right now I have a few unboxings. This one is from Unheardofbrand in Cincinnati, Ohio. It's a Nike SB box, and it's for Dunk High Supreme tag. Their retail cost was $120, but Nike retailed for $108. And here's the shoe. This is the Chinese New Year or Year of the Horse. Bottom is icy sole with gold glitter speckles. Has red laces. It's like a red suede material. And it comes with this extra pair of laces. It's like a tweed. Yep. So that's size 7. This next box is from Sneaker Bistro, New York. This came in a standard Nike box, red box. For the Air Tech Challenge 2 Quick Strike, size 8.5, and it retailed for $120. And here it is, the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2 Quick Strike, the Agassiz. So it has this sole is, people are saying that this looks like the Yeezy sole, but actually Yeezy copied this one. This one came out before the Yeezys. So yeah, size 8.5. The other pair comes with a hang tag. And this last box is from Nike. Receipt. So the first box is a Jordan box, size 8.5, Jordan 10 Retro, retails for $170. It's the Wolf Gray, not Wolf Gray, maybe it's Wolf Gray, infrared 10s. These are nice. Then I have a Kobe box. It's for the Preludes, Kobe 8 Prelude. Retail was $125, I guess. Yeah, they got that tag right. And this is the reflection one. So it's like a reflective material, looks like. It's like a transitioning sole. And yeah, that's my pickup.